Welcome back, little readers. And before anything else, let's go straight to our digraph rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So what are digraphs? Let's review. Digraphs are 2 letters, 1 sound. Again, 2 letters, 1 sound. And this week's digraph is O and O. But again, together, they don't say O, they say U. U. And the action for this digraph, the digraph U, is like a cuckoo clock. O-oo, O-oo, O-oo. There you go. So, are you ready to sing it with me? Let's sing the song together, okay?
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo?
Good! There you go! So now, we are going to look for some words that have the U in them, okay? So, as always, I will help you out by sounding out the letters with you while I'm doing the actions. But after we say all of the sounds, you have to read the word. Okay? Okay, now, word number 1. K, U, K. Again, K, U, and K. What is it? Cook. Cook. Word number 2 is G, U, D. Again, G, U, D. So what is it? You're right. It's good. Next is O, O, K. O, O, and K. What's the word? You're right. It's look. Look. Word number 4. U. Again. U. What is it? Foot. Right, it's foot. And one more word. W. U. D. Again. W. U. And D. What is it? It's wood. Wood. Okay, now it's time for you to do your solo work. I'll still help you with the actions, but you'll have to sound out the words by yourself and then read the words by yourself. Ready? Okay, so solo work word number 1 is again. Did you get it? Sure you did. It's book. Book. Word number 2. O and K. Again. O, K. What is it? You're right. It's hook. Hook. Next, word number 3 is s. Book and again. What is it? I gave you a clue there. You're right. It's soot. Soot. Next. One more time. You're right. It's wool. Wool. And our last letter is a little bit longer. More letter sounds. Ready? One more time. Did you get it? Yes, it is stood. Stood. You're reading so well now because these are so easy for you. It's awesome. I'm happy and I hope you're happy too. And if you're happy too, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? So I will see you in the next digraph. Bye!